Hey guys, it's Dulce. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this Gumpaste lily. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment sections down below telling me what you want to see next. Make sure to also hit the little bell icon to be notified of when I post new videos, and make sure to share this video with all your friends so we can reach 300 subscribers by the end of this month and they can join our cake decorating family. And without further ado, let's get into the video. First, we're going to go ahead and dip 26 gauge wire into egg white. I'm taking a piece of green gum paste and rolling it in between my hands to make it kind of long and skinny. And then I'm inserting the wire into it and then just kind of rolling it in between my hands again to secure it to the wire. And that's what it should look like. Go ahead and dip the very tip of the wire into egg white again, and I'm putting this kind of like blackish purplish gum paste on top, so it's a very small little ball of gum paste. And I'm taking my knife tool and making small indentations on the sides, so that should be your finished center. Then moving on to the petals, we're going to take a white piece of gum paste and roll it out on a groove board. Then we're taking this petal cutter, which is for the lily, and we're going to cut out 6 of these petals. Then go ahead and dip your 26 gauge wire into egg white again and insert it into the gum paste. I'm taking my wired petal and putting it on a veiner and then just pressing down to make the vein indentations on the petal. Go ahead and place your petal on a foam board, and then using a large ball tool, go ahead and thin out and slightly wave the ends of the petal. To dry the petals, I'm placing them on this apple tray, which is going to act as a petal former. The next part of the process is just dusting the petals and all of the stamens and all of that. So to do the stamens, I decided to mix the terracotta color and the cocoa brown color, and I only used 6 stamens. Then I went ahead and used the kiwi color and dusted the very base of the petal, and then I used the watermelon and a little bit of the autumn blaze color mixed together, and I used that all over the front and back of the petal. To make that line down the petal, I went ahead and used the same combination of watermelon and autumn blaze color, but I added a little bit more of autumn blaze to make it a deeper color. To make the dots on the petal, I used again the same colors that I used to make the line down the petal, but I added a little bit of vodka to make it into paint, and then I just went ahead and dotted that all over the petal. Once we finish dusting all of the petals and stamens and everything, we're going to go ahead and assemble the flower. So here I'm just taking the stamens and the centerpiece and then just placing the stamens all the way around it and taping it together with floral tape. We're going to use our small flat pliers and bend back our petals just so it's easier for us to assemble them. I'm actually using half-width floral tape, so you can just go ahead and cut a piece of floral tape down the center, and it's just easier to work with to put flowers together. Then I'm placing each of the petals one by one, doing 2 rows. So I'm doing the first row of 3, and then I'm taking the last 3 petals and doing another row of 3 at the bottom. Once you're done taping all of the petals, go ahead and tape all the way down the wire. Then I'm just taking my pliers to move around some of the petals so I can arrange them better. This is what the finished flower should look like. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!